Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. I will keep this video very short, sweet, and to the point. This one pays very well. So let's just dive on in. The company MuckRack, they are a leading platform for public relations and communications professionals. They are hiring a customer support specialist. This is working remote within the United States only. But they are looking for someone to serve as a first responder for inbound communication through their site, answer customer questions, and provide how-to help on MuckRack's capabilities with a focus on reducing customer effort and furthering their product knowledge. You'll troubleshoot any technical issues they have and diagnose errors both online and over the phone. You'll escalate then diagnose software issues, work with their product engineering teams, and follow site issues to resolution and customer satisfaction. Now, they measure success in this role based on a few things: how long it takes you to get the resolution to the customer or time to close. It says average time to respond is within 10 minutes or less, and they are tracking the number of conversations you replied to. They are specifically looking for someone who has 1 to 2 years experience in a technical support or business to business role is preferred, but it is not required. What is required is that you have exceptional written and verbal communication skills. You can troubleshoot and perform in-depth investigations. So basically, you are a problem solver. They want someone who has the ability to adapt quickly to changing priorities, someone who is familiar with technical writing, someone who has great attention to detail, and you must be willing to work one of the following shifts. They have 2 different shifts available. One is 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The other one is 11 a.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of the Eastern Standard Time zone, you'll have to convert your time zone to those hours to see if that works for you. But this does have a base salary of $27 an hour, which is $1,080 a week. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.